Rinconians, Rincon Steve here. How you guys doing? Well, I know it's been a while since I posted anything, probably a month or two. A lot's happened in the last couple months. A lot of changes going on. Currently in Tucson, and but probably will not be here. We're just to bring you up to date. We've sold the place we're living in, and we're moving to South Carolina. So so a lot of changes. So I've been busy with that move, planning the move anyway, and we'll get busier here. We're supposed to take off in 2 weeks from today, actually. So anyway, just thought I'd bring you up to speed. Do have a few videos I want to show you. We're going to continue with our teardrop. We have a battery update I wanted to show you, as well as the modifications on the hitch of the teardrop. So why don't I show you right now the battery update and what I did with that. We've been talking about doing our repair for our electrical system within the teardrop, and I finally bit the bullet and bought a brand new battery. What I got was what's called ampere time. I think that's how you say it. You can see it here, and this is a little folder they send me with all the details on the battery. I picked this particular battery. It's a inexpensive lithium 100 amp hour battery. Excuse me. I'm actually just getting over COVID, or I still have COVID, still testing positive, but it's been like 2 weeks, so I don't know. Anyway, I just want to talk a little bit about the battery and see how it does with our problem here. So I'm just in the process of unboxing this. This is the way it comes. It comes in a box. I think it's only about 27 pounds, I believe. So this was on the top, and I opened it, and then it's got a foam, as you can see, a foam cover, little helper here. Hi there, here are your bolts, your post bolts. So you gotta open up your thing, and there they are. And here's the battery. So it comes with a little handle. There it is. Obviously a Chinese-made lithium battery. The quality in these vary a lot, and when you watch other YouTube channels about these and see when they open them up, the quality. It really motivated me to make sure I got something a little better than just the cheapest battery. This one came recommended from another YouTuber who does a lot of reviews on batteries, and when he had opened it up and you could see the difference, I felt good about this one. I paid, I think it was just at just slightly under $400, so with shipping and taxes, I'm probably at $427, I think it was. Anyway, I didn't think that was too bad considering everything. So this will be replacing 2 lead acid 100 amp batteries, but this should equal the volume. You know, you can get 100% of your amp hours out of one battery when it's lithium, as opposed to only half the volume in lead acid. So a lot of benefits. This will be lighter, a single battery, and probably more reliable. I think those being used lead acid batteries has a big factor in the reason that they're no longer usable. So we'll get some good life out of this. So let's just stick these little bolts on. Yes, these are just little bolts with a Phillips They come with these little covers. Go in like that. And then they've got these little covers. I guess my other issue here is they give me the dimension to here. I think it's like 8.5 inches, but we're probably at 9 inches there with these bolts. So let's get a tape measure and see what the actual height is. Look at this, they give me 2 extra bolts. Nice of them. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Where am I going to put those so I don't lose them? So this is black, which is negative, goes here. Red is positive, that goes there. Come on. There. All right, let's get the tape measure out. So with that cap, we're at about, it looks like a 9. Let's use a piece of straight edge here. Yeah, just about 9.5. Okay, it's just simply got a regular person scale here. I'll put it down on the ground. And first of all, get a base reading. Okay, so I'm 209. Let's grab one of these batteries. All right, 270. So that makes it 61 pounds. All right, let's try it with this one. Just tell there's no 233 minus 9, 209. So 22 pounds. 22 pounds. So that's more than half, isn't it? That's a significant savings in weight. All right, so doing the math between these 2 batteries and this battery is the difference of 98 pounds. That's huge. 98 pounds different load. So it's 98 pounds lighter to go with this battery. So think of the benefits. Lighter, more reliable power, because it's new too, and I can get probably even more amp hours than these used batteries. Though they did serve me well to get started anyway. So let's get this installed. Okay, Rinconians, that's it for now. I always appreciate you tuning in. And remember, you're not a Rinconian unless you subscribe. All right, everyone, till next time.